Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out this Melitta coffee filter. This is size number 2.
As you can see, the really delicate preparation on this allows for the coffee to be extruded really evenly throughout the pour. So I really appreciate that. And I also really love the fact that once you press it into place, it does sit really nicely in the cone. And continuing to use it is just a breeze. You just go ahead, add your coffee, and then you also just add in the amount of water you need. This is a standard 1 cup size cone, so I just fill it up to the appropriate levels. You can see just how nicely the coffee goes down in a smooth, consistent manner, making sure we get all those flavors through. And it's really nice to see also that you can see the consistent pour coming down. One of the greatest things about this is that these are not flimsy cones. They are strong enough to grab right out of the cone and easy to toss in the bin with no mess.
So guys, I really love them. They are super handy and fit perfectly for what I need, but that's just my point of view.